So I have my beef and shaki all spiced, and I have my bitter leaf. I have my cocoyam. We call it urede. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to pound the cocoyam. Cocoyam is what. So I have my beef and shaki all spiced, and I have my bitter leaf. I have my cocoyam. We call it urede. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to pound the cocoyam. Cocoyam is what. Okay, so just steamed meat. So you just add a bit of water and you put in the thickener, which is the boiled pounded cocoyam. Okay, so you leave it for it to dissolve and simmer and thicken. Meanwhile, I have my stuffed fish and my